Okay, this is what's known as explosion symmetries for our dummies. Hooray! Now this is a basic uranium-235 particle, and what happens when you split it, is that it does your krypton or barium. And no time is Superman there. But basically, what's flying around the arrows like this are protons and spare electrons from the smash up that create these two waste products, which is like a nuclear poop. The AI, in its genius, has agreed with me that the idea that magnetizing the uranium explosion in specific ways might in fact maximize the energy released during the explosion. Which of course, we're talking about the fuel to maintain it. I decided if you had enough energy, you could wobble, explode, and smash atoms together in a nearly unlimited amount of types of variation if you had enough energy, right? So this is a diagram showing you the wavelengths of particular waves, which is dangerous at the red side and non-dangerous at the alpha side, which I believe is the electromagnetic of the Earth. Here in the middle, the microwaves is about where it's dangerous on the Cancer side. Okay, so just drawing you a red zone like this. This is the place where you're looking at a trouble. By this place, you are dead. That's inside the middle of the reactor. Okay, the subject of smashing up and down the periodic table of elements isn't exactly new. It's the types of ways to do it that are new. So here at the bottom, we've got the isotopes or heavy metals. Here, between here, yeah, and at the other end actually, of here. These are the rock stars. This is the Hollywood Boulevard of money. Any of these atoms is worth smashing. There's a few over here. There's a couple over here. Right, but basically, people are going to smash all types of atoms they can eventually smash. And some of them are going to be more interesting than others. Like nickel, for instance, is also used as batteries. Rechargeably, sometimes. Perhaps types of magnets and types of strength of magnets, like the mass spectrometer invented in the Manhattan Project. This is from American School's basic diagram, but basically, this is a theory that heavier particles are going to move like Einstein's theory of gravitational lensing. The smaller ones will just naturally come off if they're in smaller lumps, unless it's a big lump of U235 and a small lump of U23A, in which case the U23A will go to the earlier magnet because it's the same strength of magnet. Let's go to the strength of magnet, which you could do. Different strengths of magnets and different energetic proportion, perhaps, and you could do it a lot, like in a circle or maybe in a spiderweb. You could call it the sorterator or the differentiationization. You see where I'm going with this?